The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Deepak, Patrick, Albert, Dennis, guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is Monday in a short trade week. It is the 21st. Thank you, Scott. Appreciate that. Hubba, good morning. Nolan, Kieran, guys, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome to the Target Trading Pro trade room. Barry, good morning. Roland, guys, good morning. Very good morning. It's been a fairly slow, dull, choppy little morning. I'll go over bot trades momentarily. But currently, let's see here. Good morning, Nolan. The NASDAQ's down 92, ES off 22, YM down 77, EMD Russell down, gold down 6, silver down, everything's red. Looking at stocks, the only green I see is Pfizer is up 3 cents. Boeing is up 43 cents, and then it is a sea of red. Tesla's down another $4.50. Yeah. Apple's down $1.42. Looks like Tesla and Apple could, unless we get a bounce somewhere, going to lead us lower. Guys, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We may have some trials that are not in as of yet. What I'll do is take about 5 minutes. I'll read the disclaimer. I'll go through charts, and then I will cover what the trials will see in the room. But for trials, this is a short week. We surely are here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The likelihood is we will not be here on Friday. It is a short session on Friday. And with that session, there's just going to not be any volume. So it will make no sense to run bots. I don't think. I could be dead wrong. Historically, this week we are green. We just traded down to 595 on the NASDAQ, which would have been a decent long. So we'll see what we get this week, guys. It's going to be a fairly, in my opinion, it will be a low volume. It will be a low volume, kind of all over the place moves. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I'll show the bots. Man, typical of Monday. Well, I probably won't watch the World Cup. Italy's not in it. U.S. is not in it. I won't watch the women. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, let's go over bots. First, ES is up 290. Let's do the good ones. YM is up 930. Natural gas is up 745. Those are your good ones. Crude down 920. First target win here, losing trade here. First target win here, down 920. NASDAQ currently down 650. So we'll see if we can't get crude, and NASDAQ should trade out of that hole. We'll see if we can get crude to trade out of that hole. For those of you guys that are on trial, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I will send you guys a daily email, which will include the room video. It's unedited. If you guys would like to go back through the video and see the bot trades, when there's a bot trade that triggers, I will, of course, show it. If you guys would like to go back through the video and see the bot trade, you can. The room is comprised of two distinct areas. One is the bot trades. The charts you're looking at on the screen are not bot charts. The second area of the room, or the second aspect of the room, is will be order flow trades. I will suggest, or at least offer up, what I'm seeing across crude, ES, gold, natural gas, NASDAQ, of course, and I also will look at grains and copper. Oh, they play against Wales today at 2 o'clock? Okay. You can tell I'm a big soccer fan, which is to say I'm not. In any event, I will send out a daily email which will give you your options for memberships Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Again, I've not decided if I'm going to be in the room on Friday, but I am leaning that I will not be. So your trial will be a short week trial. If throughout the trial you have any questions, please put them in the chat. But as I was saying, the second aspect of this room will be order flow trades. I do trade order flow. I do trade a live account. When a trade presents itself, I will offer up that trade with stops and targets. If you guys are inclined to take them, that is your prerogative. If not, if you're here solely for the bots, then of course you will see the bot trades as they happen. Right now, we've got nothing that is close to a trade. ES is in longs, NASDAQ is in longs, YM is in longs, natural gas is in longs, and crude is sitting at VWAP doing nothing. In any event, good morning and welcome. Let's take a look at charts. Here comes your target on ES, target 1 at 70. If we get above 71, you're going to trade runners to 85. NASDAQ 707 target, 707. Pushing some resistance here. There it goes. Come on, baby. ES got 69.5, close enough for hand grenades if you're in the ES trade. As far as I'm concerned, 2 ticks. Small sellers in here now. Support's going to come in about 60, 61 on the NASDAQ. Small bounce out of that 60. 7 handles fairly quick. They bought 253 in the opening 3-minute bar. Got small 150 sellers in this current 3-minute bar. SPX support is at 53, 52.50. NASDAQ back into some support here. If it loses this 45, we come down to 38. Below 38, we come 23. Now sellers picking up. There's 45 gone. There's 38 gone. We should come down to 23, 24 now on the NASDAQ. Bounced off the 68. You've got 800 sellers in this current 3-minute block, guys. 800. Volume is light. It's a bot trade. Natural gas. This should push down to 23, guys. Maybe 24. Net, 3,400 net sellers. We're not going to go long. If anybody is short, if you took the short on the first break, final target is 605 now. 213 seller at 39. ES could break down to 50 from here. NASDAQ trapped in a small little area here, guys, but I think we're going to come test yet Friday's low, 607. No other bot trades. They keep hitting 39. Target 1 filled on the natural gas bot. Target 1 is filled. They hit him again, 257. $260. They sold 3 more. $262. They're selling 39. We should trade 23.24. Target 2 filled on the natural gas bot. We keep selling 39, guys. 271. Missed target 3 by, oh, got it. Natural gas up 1755 on the bot. And still going. See if they sell them again at 39. Mark that level. Back above VWAP. ES not doing much. ES held 55, bounced back to 60. Yeah, I have a 707 on the long and a 605 potentially on the short. Some right at VWAP. $72 is resistance on NASDAQ. You got a small offer at 72.5. Just waiting on another 10-minute bar. Just chopping around just above VWAP. Technically, it's long above VWAP. But we could pull back to 46. Got to get above 72. I mean, natural gas and crude are all you need to trade. Hell with the indices. Crude looks like it's coming down to 75.30 on the hourlies. 75.30. Yes. $50, the first 15-minute bar will be in. Got a 105 buyer. If you guys think this is slow and sloppy, Friday is going to be worse. New 15-minute bar. Looks like shorts, fellas. This is just a mess. There it goes. And right back up. God dang. Copper came down. $3,000 sellers, fellas. Up and down around VWAP. Now we're getting a bid. Get that swing here at 70. We're going 77. There you go. There's 77. Now you got buyers. You're above the 68. Here we go. Come on. No follow through. Still think we get 707. ES is bid. 708 was Friday's close. If we get above 725, NASDAQ can go. Friday's high was 843. We got to get above 725 to try to get that. You got a 102 buyer. Crude getting a bounce. Let me look at crude. I have no interest in crude there. Copper getting a bid. Dollar index is flat. Hourlies look like they want to roll over. ES trying to push back up to 68 to 70. If you guys want a small trade on the ES, you can take 67 quarter half back up to 70. There it is, quarter, half, 70 would be target one. It's just not much here, guys. Inside candle on the small time frames. Apple is extending the wait time for iPhone 14 till after Christmas. Tesla down 5 and change now. Apple down 236. Nasdaq's long on the bot. Chopping, guys, chopping. Pulling the 68 higher. I think we're setting up for. There's target 1 on the bot. Target 2 filled. Let's get 07. We're setting up for reversals. Both targets hit and filled. I really would like to tag Friday's close. Anybody take that 68 quarter half on ES? You got 69 half. 67. Yeah. Anybody take that ES? It's good for a few handles, guys. Need to break out over 71, maybe 72. We still have an offer sitting at 75. Okay, Frank. All right, guys, good. Anybody holding NASDAQ long? 704. Adjust your target from 707 to 704. Maybe 5. Anybody in NASDAQ? If ES gets a Deepak, I'm thinking SPX calls. Let me look at SPYs. Nothing on SPYs. Golly, this is ugly. Okay, rolling. Okay, Greg. Got a 154 seller. I think you can take NASDAQ long right here, 81, 82 off the 68. Target number 190. Come on. Buyers. God, this is pathetic. Let me mark the opening range high. Opening range high, it looks like 99.50. 75. I don't want to see it below 60, 65. There's your opening range high. Opening range low is 27.75. Fucking slop. 27.75. Oh my God, a bot trade. Short on the YM. Missed by a tick on the YM. A tick. Natural gas is turning over. This is no fun. This is no fun. All right, opening ranges are in. Okay. Okay, out on YM. All right, Deepak, I'm in. $1.40. NASDAQ shorted on the bot. Dollar index is turning over too. Yeah, I sent it to him as well. Got target one NASDAQ. If it breaks below VWAP, you got a shot at this second target. It's been holding VWAP. All right, both targets hit and filled. NASDAQ's now up 420. It was down when we came in. The only bot that's red is crude. And unless crude gets a bounce long, it's going to stay there. Here's the opening range low, 27.75. NASDAQ now should come down to 32. Could pop back up to 46. There it is. Come on, what are you going to do? Bottom of the small time frame cloud is 33. There it is, 33. That's the bottom of the cloud. Here comes the opening range low. Come on, break below the opening range low. Holding the bottom of the small order flow, guys. Look at your 2-minute cloud. Holding the bottom of that cloud. If we break below that, choppy. Held the cloud. We're up to 3,400 sellers. I don't think it holds long. ES sitting on 60 support, below that 55 support. Friday's low is 607. We're shorts, guys. On the small time frames, we're shorts. There we go. Let's see if we can get 610 now. $607 to 610 is the target. Get 13. So here's that's the opening range low on Friday, right here, 607. We should tag that. Low volume, guys. Just really low volume. 44 crude went long on the bot. 4,400 net sellers and climbing. You have 48 buyers here, guys, on a 3-minute buyer. There's nothing. No bot trades. The last one was crude. You scalped it 4 times for $1,000. Nice. Levels are good. I don't think there's enough volume to sell it off. Guys, I shut my bots off for the time being. Everything is nicely green with the exception of crude. Yeah, I'm up pretty good on it. Deepak, right now it's 75 cents. So I paid $1. I got $1.40. I'm up almost 50%. ES, I guess we could sell 55 with a 61 stop if it gets there. If you took the 45 long, it should go, I mean, it should bounce to 55, but that's a stretch. Let me look at SPY. 520. I mean, yeah. The 4-hour chart is brutal. I have actually on the 4-hour chart 400, 395. And I think we're going to do it. SPX looks like it wants to come down to 39.15. If NASDAQ breaks below 565, it comes 45 quickly. Okay. Did you text it to me, Deepak? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. $45 is holding on the ES. I think once we get rid of Europe, they can try to bounce this thing. I have no longs. The only long I have, again, would be back above 607. If we take out, if we get back above Friday's low, then it's a failed breakdown. That's all I've got. I don't have anything that I'm interested in doing here. 48.50 unfinished auction on ES. Anybody long 45 on the ES? I would take first target at 50 other than Mimi. Anybody long 45? 48.5 is a bit of resistance too. Greg, where are you short NASDAQ? The breakdown of 07? Yeah. Where are you short NASDAQ? 93. ES at 47. Damn, Tesla's down $9.50. We're not going anywhere without Tesla and Apple, guys. Apple's off 335 on that news that the iPhone 14 will be after Christmas delivery. Microsoft, Wells Fargo, Merck, Walmart's up. Other than that, this is a sea of red. We're only down 120 points, so. $175. Let me see where the hell it is. We're at 170. Eesh. Dollar index starting to get a bid. We do have the FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Bonds are bid. Tough. Man, what the hell is going on here? And I guarantee you the VIX hasn't moved an inch. Yeah, VIX cash is up a whopping 1% at 23.37. VIX futures are down 0.75% at 24.33. Oversold on the 5-minute, heading to oversold on the 15. We've worked off overbought on dailies. There's nothing, I don't know why we're dinking around here. Gold is swing shorts, fellas. Swing shorts. EMD chopping around its 150-day moving average. NASDAQ couldn't get there. Russell is going to come back down to 1822. YM is daily longs. $30-year bond. Let me see what the hell TLT is. Still holding 100. Ten-year note. Copper, daily shorts. Today is Monday. It was a daily short on Wednesday. Silver broke out of this channel nicely. Same as gold, above the 150, and it's going to come back. Platinum, same thing. Looks like it's going to pull back to the 150. Natural gas. First target here. I mean, here's the SPY. We're holding this buy zone. And we could move up to 96. I mean, we're trading in an ugly little freaking range, man. If NASDAQ gets above 640, we can work up to 680. Tesla getting a small bounce. Guys, it's 11 a.m. I'll give you bot totals. Now we're starting to get a bid now. Long, should have been long NASDAQ at 97. Hang on one second, guys.